Welcome to Top Tech. Today we'll dive into the power and precision of modern cutting machines, along with the top-notch skills of craftsmen mastering this incredible technology. In the heart of the wild forest, this machine stands as the ultimate weapon, powerful like the iron fist of a giant. With each precise cut, it transforms towering trees into neatly stacked timber in mere moments. This is not just a tool, but a symbol of strength and precision in forestry. A silent warrior, mastering nature through timeless technology. This is a feller buncher, a machine used for cutting and collecting trees in forestry operations. It appears to be from the Tiger Cat brand, known for its high performance and durable design. This equipment efficiently cuts and gathers trees for easy transport. The vehicle may be old, but its power should not be underestimated. The MexMax PTO stump grinder, Airkeys G24, is a stump grinding machine powered by a PTO power takeoff system connected to a tractor. It grinds tree stumps below ground level using a rotating cutting wheel. SEG24 is the model number. This equipment is commonly used in agriculture, landscaping, and land clearing. The K-Vario is a mobile firewood processing system, combining a saw and an automatic log splitter by Porsche Leibniz. This machine automatically cuts and splits wood into firewood efficiently. It is used in forestry and firewood production, and its mobility allows for on-site processing of firewood. This friend of mine unfortunately got his wheel stuck deep in the ground because the load of wood on his truck was too heavy. Despite the help of a bulldozer, the situation doesn't seem to be improving much. Hopefully, he will manage to get out of this predicament smoothly and continue on his journey. It's truly unbelievable. Such a massive amount of wood has been neatly stacked onto a truck that looks so small compared to the load it's carrying. Oh, I mean, the truck seems much smaller than the immense weight loaded onto it. Sometimes when we only focus on one function of an item, we might consider it useless due to its limited capabilities. However, this video shows us that with a bit of creativity, a handheld saw can be easily converted into a highly effective sliding table saw by simply securing it and adding a sliding rail. The LogMax 6000B is a specialized harvesting head designed for medium to large trees. It features a powerful cutting system, precise measurement capabilities, and advanced automation technology. Its durable design ensures reliable performance in harsh conditions. This is an optimal choice for professional forestry projects. The John Deere 1010D is a specialized forwarder for forestry operations, featuring a powerful and fuel-efficient engine. It offers flexible load capacity for small to medium-sized logs and an optimized crane for quick and precise loading. Its robust design ensures efficient performance on challenging terrains. The comfortable cabin and smart control systems enhance work efficiency. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you in the next one.